Remember when holidays were so fun because they were all about you? Well, when you're a parent, it gets kind of hard because it's just another thing to make special for someone else. Don't get me wrong, I love it, but it needs to be easy. I'm Stacy Billis, and these are my super simple heart puff pastries for Valentine's Day. Now, when it comes to keeping things simple and baking or pastries, puff pastry is my secret ingredient. To make these, you're gonna need a box of puff pastry and also a heart-shaped cookie cutter. I like using Nutella for this, but if you don't wanna go chocolate, which I don't know, why wouldn't you wanna go chocolate? You could also mix whipped cream cheese with some strawberry jam. Either way, that's gonna be your filling. And then you're gonna top it with fresh strawberries, and it's gonna make a beautiful puff pastry heart with nice red color and some fresh fruit. So start by unfolding the pastry and cut out heart shapes. Then you want to create a rim. So you want to take either a smaller heart cookie cutter and just kind of indent a little heart shaped, or kind of just go with a butter knife and kind of freehand draw one. The point is just to make sure that you leave a nice little rim. Then within that rim, spread the Nutella or your cream cheese mixture, and then top it with sliced strawberries. That's it. We're gonna bake it up. They come out golden brown, sweet, delicious, and totally festive. How easy is that? You can serve these for an after-school snack, even for breakfast, honestly, or maybe a sweet family dessert to celebrate the holiday. If you like the sound of this recipe, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. I love hearing from you. And for more quick, easy, and festive recipes, be sure to subscribe. A new video comes out every single week. Happy Valentine's Day!